everything that we learned here we didn't know, and it's going to be stuff that we take back and incorporate into our professional development throughout the school year. So we're going to chunk it up and teach our teachers what we've learned here, and it's stuff that they don't know. So I fully recommend coming and doing the learning here, because you need it all, and they're going to show you things that you didn't know. So it's been great.
From what I've heard and seen is they tailor stuff to the needs of their customers. It's fantastic to know that we can give feedback and suggestions, and it's not just thrown in a box. Because I've experienced that, like you give feedback and then you just never see it, where here things are constantly changing. I mean, I don't think I've ever had a program that's constantly needing updates, but the updates are fantastic, and it's coming from feedback they've gotten from other people. So it's nice to know that like our opinions and our like what we're seeing on the other end matters.
So the professional development experience is hands-on. You are not sitting at a desk writing stuff on paper. You are up at the panels, interactively using the software, that you're touching it, you're moving stuff around, you're problem shooting, you're on your feet. And I think the doing part is how you concretely set in the information and the learning. So you get so much more from it.
Because I'm kind of media tech and I've already been playing with the panels. We've only had them maybe 4 or 5 months, but I feel like I've used them so much that I'm like, I know the ins and outs. And then coming here, I'm like, wow, there's way more that I didn't know. Like, that's exciting.